Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video on the secret to making a successful revision timetable. Now, this is a carry-on from last week, part 2 of the 3 top tips on how to reduce your stress. And it's very, very important, okay? So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make that timetable, and what to put in the timetable, what it should look like. So here we go. Now here you can see a table, and I want you to pretend that the edges of this table are the edges of your piece of paper. Now you can take an A4 piece of paper, an A3 piece of paper, kind of whatever size suits you. If you want to make a really big timetable and stick it on the wall somewhere, or a small one to keep in your pocket, whatever works for you. And notice how it's been split into different boxes. And maybe try and fit a whole month in there. So if you can see, I've put in Monday the 2nd of May in the top left hand corner, up to Sunday the 8th of May. So that whole first row is the whole first week of May. I haven't put the first in. This is just to show you guys how to do it. And what you can do is put the whole month onto one side of paper. Depending on how many weeks you have till your exam, this is what you can do. This is one way of making a revision timetable. Now, the way you format it isn't as important as what you put inside each box. So let's say for the first box, where it's Monday the 2nd of May, and you want to do maths and you want to do English language. What you have to do is make it very specific to what you want to do. So, for example, if you just write maths and English language, that's not really going to help you, okay? You have to write something specific that you want to do on that day, and you want to write down exactly how many subjects, and you don't want to overdo it, okay? Maybe 1 or 2, make it really realistic. And remember, this is just a guide, okay? You don't have to stick to this. It's just there to help you, just to show you what you can do over the days, what you can cover. Make sure that you put in rest days. So if we just go back to the actual table, if we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you have those as your work days. So you're doing exam questions, you've got your subjects, maybe you've added physics and biology, or something else, some other subjects as well, and you've covered them for 3 days, and then you take Thursday the 5th of May off. Okay? I know today is not Thursday the 5th of May. It's Monday the 16th of May. But this is just kind of a template for you. So maybe work 3 days and then take a rest day, and then do another 3 days of revision and then take a rest day. Just see what goes and works for you. Okay? So yeah, those are the key things of what makes that timetable successful. Anybody can format it. You can write it however you want. You can put it, you can maybe even write down the days in a list, however it works for you. But the key thing is you've got to put limited things in that box, not too many things, so not too many subjects in there. Don't be too specific. For example, don't put a timing in there, because sometimes you can't stick to that timing, okay? And you can always change this timetable. You can make it multiple times, maybe change it every couple of weeks if it's not working for you. But this will work, okay, because it's not too much burden and pressure on you. It shows you that you can do everything over the course of the time that you have, but you don't have to do so much every day, so you can have some me time. Okay. And just remember that A Few Ways to Overcome Stress is available on Amazon, and it has been for the past couple of weeks, I think. And this book, How to Overcome Exam Stress, will be coming out in 2 or 3 weeks. I will confirm the date with you guys. And finally, if you like to read fiction, Outliers is there for free this week. till Friday the 20th of May, and you can download the ebook for free and have a read of that. So good luck, and thank you very much for watching. I wish you guys all the success in your exams. Please don't stress out too much. Take on my advice. If you're still stressed out, speak to someone, your teachers, your friends, your family. You know, there's loads of people out there. There's loads of ways to reduce stress. And yeah, good luck. I will see you next week.